In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the dividend screener in Simply Safe Dividends. By the end, you'll be able to quickly surface dividend-paying stocks that match your goals and dig into the data that matters most. First, head to the site and locate the dividend stock screener. It's part of the core toolkit, and it opens to a clean layout that keeps things simple. At the top, you'll see a gray box. This is where you define your criteria. Think of it as your control panel. You can set ranges for the safety score, growth score, yield score, payout ratios, and more. If you're prioritizing reliability, start with a higher safety score. That score reflects the company's ability to sustain its dividend through different market conditions. If you care about increasing income over time, use the growth score to favor firms with stronger dividend growth profiles. Yield score helps you gauge how a stock's yield stacks up, and payout ratios give you a sense of how much of earnings or cash flow is paid out as dividends, which can be a useful check on sustainability. A helpful tip here is to start broad and then narrow down. Begin with moderate ranges so you can see what's out there, and then tighten the filters as you get a feel for the results. If your screen returns too few names, loosen a filter. If you're seeing hundreds, dial in the ranges a bit more. As you adjust the criteria in the gray box, look down at the results table below. It updates in real time, no need to click a search button. This immediate feedback makes it easy to fine-tune your inputs and see how each change affects the list. Scan the table to get a quick snapshot of the companies that meet your settings. When a stock catches your eye, click its blue ticker symbol in the results table. That opens the stock analyzer, which is where the deeper research happens. Here you'll find more than 25 years of dividend history and over 10 years of fundamental data. Use this view to confirm what the screener suggested. Look for consistency in dividend payments, the pace of dividend growth over cycles, and whether payout ratios have stayed in a comfortable range. Review trends and fundamentals to understand how the business is performing beneath the dividend. That's the workflow. Access the screener, define your criteria in the gray box, watch the results update instantly, and then click into the blue tickers to analyze each candidate in detail. With a few thoughtful adjustments and a quick pass through the stock analyzer, you'll move from a broad universe to a focused list of dividend ideas that fit your strategy.